Say what's up, Eliott.
Hi. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial about how to twist hair.
All right, y'all. Yes, I will be twisting Elia's hair. As you can see, it needs some work right now. All right, so the products that we will be using, I use gel. I know a lot of people use other things, but for her hair, I like to use this extreme gel.
Next, we got some Suave conditioner.
Yes,
avocado.
This very much, it's super conditioning. So we use that, we leave it in. Of course, we got the rubber bands.
We got some different types of rubber bands too.
That's just to corner her hair off, tie it off, section it off, along with the clips. And you also can use this. I like to use this to braid her hair, but it can also be used to twist. All right, but in today's video, I will be using gel. And of course,
we got some parting. Wait, they're called parting, right?
Yeah,
parting
the combs.
hair brushes.
The hair combs. All right, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start out by splitting her hair, parting it.
That's good. Ow.
Are you tender, baby?
No? Yeah. Are you doing two in the front or what? Which way? No, that's good.
Alright, so I got one side tied, and I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting. So you just choose your design that you would want to do. And you can use rubber bands to section it off, or sometimes I
Look at you some.
So I'm gonna start having gel here, just sitting on the counter right here.
Don't get too much because it will look pretty good afterwards because it'll be all white.
And again, this is twisting hair with gel. Sometimes I use the other spraying stuff, but today I want to use some gel.
That smells good.
So I just gelled it up pretty good. See that? I just get just about this much gel, and then I also lay your hair down with a parting sound. I take the brush, kind of comb it through. We're gonna do this to make sure that hair does not get into a twist. All right, I'm gonna put the nail back. You get your rubber band. Just have some nut here, trying to get in mix. Push this up. To it. And that's our first twist.
Are you doing two more in this one?
And again, you just part it the way you want your hair designed. One for more side facing. I'm just gonna put some gel right here on her.
Like a little triangle?
Yeah.
I see.
For a baby hair right there, put a little bit of gel to keep that down so it doesn't get into my twist. Yeah. Okay, and then it's still parted well. And again,
Just a little bit of gel.
And I put it on each side of the twist, that way it locks in pretty good. This particular gel is non-alcoholic, so it's not flaky. It doesn't make your hair turn white. And it really holds very well. I use it for my hair as well. Everyday hairstyles.
1, 2.
Okay, let's go last one.
Okay, just a little bit down.
Try your head. Okay, so this is how it finished off. So we got 6, no, we got 8.
8.
We got 8 twists. Okay, and now it is ready to be styled.
Just gonna put up my hair. So now she's just brushing it out. So she can style it.
Loosen it, or some this is Carol's daughter, I believe. There's like a spritzer mousse that we use. It's conditioning mousse.
Oh yeah.
Or you can put the hair up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the finished product again, and you can style it any way
Anyway.
you choose. You can leave it down. You can do some cute poop balls. You can put it up. So, Leah, how do you want your hair to look?
Wait. Do you do it up here or do you want to do it there?
Let's see. So I'm going to use some gel. Put her hair up.
Ooh, that's a little bit tight. Because I just got them done.
Yeah. Do you want it up like this or? I think right here is good.
Right there. Oh yeah. Here's another life hack. It's like if it's all red in between and like it's irritated, and if you have coconut oil, get some of that coconut oil and put it in between your twists, and it'll make it feel better.
Yes.
It works.
Coconut oil for everything.
Even brushing your teeth
Yeah.
and giving your face. I made sugar scrub with coconut oil. It's just sugar and coconut oil, and then you like scrub it on. It makes your skin so shiny and smooth. Give it a little tug. A little bit more gel.
Okay, and then you can obviously lay down the baby hairs,
Edges.
so your edges.
Give them a little swirl, but
So Leah will do that on her
I
own.
like doing them. I do them nicely. Like,
Okay, so go ahead and show them your finished product. Okay. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, tell somebody about us. Tell somebody about us. Thank you so much, Eliott Family, for watching our videos. Until next time, peace.